Alex sent us lamb pasta with these yellow tomatoes. Explain to me, where's this dish from, chef?
So I started out wanting to make like a lasagna that was kind of like punchy with like vinegar and brightness with a ton of cheese. So I put it all together and I was like, this sauce is really good. It just doesn't belong where I put it. So I tossed it with pasta for family meal. I was like, I'm not wasting this sauce. And we were browning lamb and I just threw them together and people were like, this is so good.
Tomatoes are cooking down. White pepper.
Yeah, only a little bit. Stop. Stop, oh my God, stop.
Oregano, all of it though?
I think so.
And a little bit of salt.
Yes, please.
Great. And then you want to take that to the food processor or the blender?
If you have a blender, I would love it. And you should have some rice wine vinegar.
All the rice wine vinegar?
Yes, please. Let's make that bad boy smooth. Then put it back in the saute pan and get it reducing a little bit more, and then we're gonna adjust. This is just cavatappi pasta. Cavatappi is corkscrew in Italian. Guy, I sent you like a beautiful block of cheese and you're grating literally like a tiny cube right now.
Okay, you want this all into the sauce, chef?
Okay, perfect. I need that sauce to like coat that pasta.
Okay.
Let's get the crispy lamb on there, drained of excess grease. And then I want you to layer it. Make sure there's sauce. Make sure there's meat in there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Hype it up.
And then work that cheese in there. Cheese, cheese, cheese.
Phenomenal.
That sauce is just so subtle, not overpowering. I mean, it's just delicious.
It's fantastic.